Why don't you clean, Kaylin? Why don't you use the dustpan? Come on, here's the dustpan. You like that?
Yeah.
You can clean with that. Come on.
Look, I do.
Nice janitor clothes.
Mom, can you help me?
No. Why don't you use the little brush? I think it's easier. Easier to use, a gray brush. Easier to use, Kaylin.